Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XDC Network, the storm of adoption. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners. For the exchange, we've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees, so do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $30 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $99 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including XDC Network. Anyways, folks, let's see what's happening with XDC in real time, what the community is saying, what the official handles are saying. Let's find out. Let's start with the community first, and then we can go on and check out what's happening with the XDC Foundation official handle if you can find anything new. So stay tuned. But first, let's see what the community is saying, because XDC community is always vibrant with good technical news, good fundamental news. So let's find out. Subjective views over here says digital assets has been added to the jurisdiction of the commodities subcommittee. Okay. Okay, so what is this? Boozman, Klobuchar announced subcommittee leadership for 119th Congress, January 29th, 2025. So this is latest. The U.S. Senate Committee on Agriculture, Nutrition, and Forestry Chairman John Boozman and Ranking Member Amy Klobuchar announced subcommittee leadership for the 119th Congress. The subcommittee leaders will play an important role as we craft the Farm Bill and provide the tools. Okay, they're working on agriculture and everything, but what is it all? What does digital asset have to do with this? Let's see. Subcommittee on Commodities, Derivatives, Risk Management, and Trade. Okay, talking about global trade finance, you know which name comes up generally. XDC Network, yeah, you guessed it right. Anyways, overseas commodity programs, derivatives, and look at this, digital assets, crop insurance, and agricultural trade. So digital assets, the blockchain technology basically, and a lot of these different new technologies overall, they are gaining steam, and the debate is heating up. So this is really good for the projects that we cover, because they are really waiting for green signals for regulatory clarity, compliance, for it to go ahead and provide solutions globally. By the way, global solutions. Mick over here says XDC, if we close this 4-hour candle here or above this price, we will print a second morning star candle, a stick pattern on the retest of the falling channel. This only means one thing, and it is XDC is on its way up. You can see that it is basically above this trend line. It broke through this, retested it, did a false breakout over here. Basically, it found good support over here as well, and now basically a confluence, a good candle, a good bullish candle, along with this retest of this trend line and a bullish momentum towards the upside. It means that XDC will go on and test this resistance point over here. Hopefully, obviously it can fall further as well. We never know. We never know, folks, but to be honest, it might go up. Okay, Hiroshi Tanaka over here says, hold on to your wallets, folks. XDC is strutting at 1067 today like a crypto peacock showing off its feathers. Whether you're hodling or just here for the memes, XDC is turning heads. XDC Network making blockchain look easy. What projects like XDC Network aim to do is, for me personally, what I like about these projects is that they are trying to legitimize this space. It is filled with mockery, with farce, to be honest. People aren't taking it seriously. Whenever you talk about crypto with anyone, whenever you talk about blockchain with anyone, a lot of people now, after such different scams happening, they say that this space is full of scams, memes, pump and dumps. So I really want these projects to succeed and provide real world use case, because these are one of the last shots for for this industry to mature and be taken seriously, to be honest. Big things are coming for XDC, from 10 cents in 2024 to $10 in 2025. I mean, that would be insane. Insane gains, to be honest, for 2025. I tend to be a bit conservative. Look at the longer picture, slow organic growth. So let's hope that eventually we reach these levels. Hopefully, the future looks bright for XDC Network. Are you ready for the ride? Look at this. XDC 10 cents 2024. By the way, for those of you that do not know, it was, I think, 2.5 cents that we were even covering it back then. So good opportunities for those that bought it around that time. Anyways, XDC and Ply, beyond borders, beyond limits for the world. Connecting the world one block at a time. Your awareness of XDC network and plugin can empower the world. Awesome. Bridging daily life to blockchain. XDC market update. XDC is currently trading, so yeah, it is only an update, market update. Any other good news? I would like some fundamental news as well. Change the game, change the world, hodl. Current price 11 cents with real world solutions and growing adoption. XDC is the future of trade finance. Together we can make history. Okay. What else do we have? Any good information? Yeah, this one seems interesting. Let me open this up. Big update from ArchXX, equity and government debt on chain. They are working together with XDC to tokenize all asset classes. Talking about fundamentals, tokenization of different asset classes in and of itself, it is worth trillions, folks. It is the disruption of trillions of dollars. Archax, the regulated digital asset exchange, broker, and custodian. Today, it announced the plans to expand its custodian and tokenization capabilities to bring traditional equities and government debt on chain, extending with what it has already done with other real-world assets. Awesome. Such as funds, bonds, carbon credits, and uranium. Look at this, folks. Uranium, carbon credits, bonds. I mean, this is truly mind-blowing, to be honest. We're talking about a huge market, a huge asset classes that are that have the potential to give multipliers for XDC, and aside from that, provide opportunity to the little guy to invest and remove the barriers for when it comes to investing in these uh, commodities and different luxury goods. This move means that holding of these traditional regulated equity and debt RWAs can now have digital representations in token form. So this means that if you own something in token form digitally, this means you are holding that certain equity or that certain commodity in real life as well, in many instances, which then can be swapped 1:1 as well. So this is what we're talking about. This is the opportunity that we're talking about. And as when it comes to XDC network, in the realm of global trade finance, it is trying to tokenize and digitize the bills of lading, different global trade documents. So we're going paperless, basically, folks. The blockchain can be traceable. It is immutable. It can mitigate frauds. So a lot of things can be achieved when it comes to XDC and blockchain in general, which can be held in wallets pledged as collateral used for payments and traded 24/7. So there is no barrier to time as well, because a lot of different markets, they close in certain days, and when you're owning something digitally, then you basically have the opportunity to trade it, swap it 24/7, 365 days a year, basically. So this is really great, a really great post, in fact. Okay, look at this, folks. XDC owns the $19 trillion supply chain market with barely any competition, and as adoption grows, so does its dominance. The future of supply chain is on-chain, and XDC is leading the charge. This is awesome, folks. Okay, so look at this, the official handle of XDC. XDC show, the crypto storm of adoption approaches, basically the storm of adoption. And XDC is a part of it, preparing for global transformation and highlighting the latest in blockchain advancements as digital assets go mainstream in the US and beyond, featuring leadership from XDC Foundation and more. This is awesome. There was a XDC Weekly as well. Let's see what XDC has been up to lately. Where is XDC Weekly? I think it was, yeah, around here. Let's see what XDC has done lately, folks. XDC Weekly, January 19th, 2025 to January 25th, 2025. Posted January 28th, 2025. So yeah, latest. Dive into this week's highlights. Let me open this up. DEX tool integration. The XDC network is now accessible on DEX tools, enhancing its visibility and accessibility for the community. This integration highlights XDC's capabilities as a high-performance blockchain designed for enterprise applications like, you guessed it right, trade finance, its specialty, and now real-world asset tokenization as well. And we read somewhere that it is also involved in payment sector as well. Okay. What else do we have? The latest XDC APEC podcast discussed the XDC Payments Program launched in collaboration with Plug and Play. This initiative aims to identify and support top-tier payments-focused Web3 solutions. Web3 is the future, fostering innovation and growth on the XDC network while empowering startups in the payments ecosystem. So this is what I was talking about, that XDC is also involved in payments somehow. So this is awesome. Yeah, the XDC show as well. We missed it, I think. Yeah, the latest XDC show featured insights from XDC Foundation leaders Quincy Jones, Matthew Wiesenthal, and Lance Lilly. The discussion focused on real-world adoption of blockchain technology, highlighting its transformative impact across industries and the growing role of tokenization in shaping a more liquid and efficient future. This is awesome. I really like the XDC Weekly. It shows us what XDC has done in a nutshell. Folks, let's watch this video as well. I was curious to see this. The future of supply chain is on chain, basically. So let's see what XDC is all about and what this video is all about.
I think the key message about those partnerships is that they are highly regulated entities, and that's what we're really pushing for.
The case right now that all international trade documents have to be in physical paper form, isn't it?
All the commercial trade documents currently, with the exception of 7 countries, have to be on paper, and that's part of the problem, of course, when we're trying to modernize the trading system.
Our message is really to make this interoperability achievable at document level. A document, like a digital asset today, has to be interoperable across banks, across corporates, across platforms.
We believe the next step going forward will be the tokenization of financial assets. We would have instantaneous settlement. Think about all the costs of settling bonds and stocks. But if you had a tokenization, everything would be immediate.
think the key.
So, folks, what do you guys think about XDC Network and this? And do you think that it is indeed in the forefront of this storm of adoption? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.